Yes, good morning, children. This is your political science teacher, Jasveer Kaur. Once again, here, welcome you all in this political science class. Although we have completed our syllabus till first midterm, but then also I'm going to revise from since chapter number 1. I'll give you some important questions here, not in written form. Verbally, I'll discuss with you, and you may do according to your choice, right? And if you want to write, you can write. If you want to listen properly, but that should be in your mind when you are ready for your exam. It may be either midterm second or midterm exam, term 1 exam. So this I have selected from your political theory book, chapter number 1. In this chapter we have already studied what is political theory, what is the importance of political theory, how it is related to in our practical life incidents. So that you have to see. Dear children, it is politics, and you must not cram this thing ke in this situation this happened and I'll do also like that. No, things keeps on changing according to the time, right? According to the circumstances, according to the situations, many more things are there. And please do take care regarding these things whatsoever we are reading in this political science, that are just exemplary. It not happen that it will happen 100%, 80% it may be there, but you have to learn lessons from that कि किसी के साथ ऐसा हुआ, उसने ऐसा किया, तो what was the result accordingly. Okay children, don't please take it otherwise. I don't want to interfere in your any way. In this political theory introductory part, I have taught you that this is the conversation among some students. I am going to read another book to memorize. If only we could talk about things that concern us. नहीं, उसकी फ्रेंड बोल रही है सामने से, सॉरी टीचर बोल रहा है, वेट एंड सी, दिस क्लास विल बी डिफरेंट. Let us turn to page number 8 and read the box on Socrates. You know that he was a philosopher. Socrates and some more names are there, Plato and Aristotle. They have given their theories regarding politics. Aristotle's very famous book is there, Aristotle's Poetics, right? In that he has written about criticism. Literature part is also there, something like that. So then first student says that I don't know, but I like the way he reveals the inconsistencies in the views expressed by others. Right? वो कह रहा है मैं अपना पर्सनल व्यू नहीं दे रहा, whatsoever I have read from page number 8 about Socrates, that I have followed in this way. कि वो कह रहा कि I don't know, but I like the way he revealed the inconsistencies in the views. So second student gives answer, this is really different. Who is Socrates? तो in this way they have raised the question regarding कि कौन है Socrates, कौन है Plato, कौन है और ये Aristotle कौन है. तो that I have taught you in your previous videos. You must see those videos. I will not repeat them again. Just I am going to tell you about this is the preamble of Indian Constitution, that our whole book is based upon this preamble. As this preamble says that the Indian Constitution preamble, what is preamble? It's an introduction about the Constitution. As usually I used to tell you people, like we enter any house, any किसी के भी घर जाते हैं तो बाहर नेम प्लेट से हमें पता चल जाता है व्हाट्स आवर इंट्रोडक्शन दे हैव गिवन. अकॉर्डिंगली वी गेस दैट हु वुड बी एट होम एंड विच पर्सन इज देयर, व्हाट इज हिज डेजिग्नेशन, सो ऑन सो फोर्थ, मैनी थिंग्स लाइक दैट. ओके, तो वी द पीपल ऑफ इंडिया, आई एम गोइंग टू रीड दिस प्रियम्बल फॉर यू पीपल. वेट 1 second. We the people of India having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice. What type of justice? Social, economic, and political. Liberty of what type of liberty? Thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Equality of status and opportunity to promote among them all, and fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and unity and integrity of the nation. So, in this way, in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. So, this Constitution, how it works based upon political theory. Now, I am going to give you some questions regarding political theory. You have to listen and try to note down. First question is, what is the meaning of word theory? तो आपकी बुक में 3-4 फिलोसफर्स के वर्ड्स हैं इसमें. व्हाट इज़ थ्योरी? तो यू मे लर्न एनी टू, राइट, जो भी आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, इंटरेस्टिंग लग रहा है, उसमें से कोई भी 2 आप पढ़ लेंगे एंड लर्न देम. देन माय सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज, फ्रॉम विच लैंग्वेज दिस वर्ड पॉलिटिक्स हैज़ बीन डिराइव्ड. ठीक है, very first 2-3 lines of your book it has been given, the word politics is derived from dash dash, which means dash. Okay, otherwise see my previous video. In this video I will not tell you, but these questions are very very important from your examination point of view. What is the origin of the word theory? Right, theory, you know that literature or literary words most of the which language से लिए गए हैं सॉरी. तो you know that the meaning of political theory, it is a very simple political theory. What is political science and philosophy of something is political. It is the study of political science and philosophy of something that is political. That is political theory. Then we have our question from this, who is the father of political science? Question number 1, who is the father of political science? You may guess dear children, अभी मैंने 2-3 लोगों के नाम लिए थे, उनमें से ही है कोई एक. One of them is the father of political science. Then theory word का meaning already I had told you. Politics कहाँ से लिया गया word, that I told you. Then you have to meaning of the political theory. Meaning of the political theory. In simple words, we can say that political theory is about what is political science and philosophy of something that is political. Okay, philosophy of something that is political, that is political theory. Any one characteristic, if you have to write of political theory, it's very important. One characteristic is that political theory is an interdisciplinary study. Interdisciplinary study mean to say कुछ इंस्टीट्यूशंस, कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, कुछ लीडर्स के बीच में जो इंटरडिसिप्लिनरी स्टडी होती है, दैट इज़ द पॉलिटिकल थ्योरी. दे वर्क ऑन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड डिफरेंट टर्म्स. So in this way, dear children, these are 1 mark questions. Some more question I am going to give you from your NCERT or your what do you think about the increasing internet commerce in future regarding politics? राइट, इसके बारे में आपने अपने अपने व्यूज़ लिखने हैं फ्री होके, बट डोंट स्टिक टू एनीवन. जो आपके मन में आ रहा लिख लो, देन वील डिस्कस एंड conclude the things accordingly. Then you have to write any 2 political definitions, any 2 thinkers, philosophers की कोई भी definitions लिख लेना है. Then you have to write problem of modern political theory. Any two problem of modern political theory. Then you have to write distinguish between political theory and political science. Very, very important and very delicate demarcation is there. Very little difference is there. That is only the thing to understand. Distinguish between political theory and political science. Then you have to read vigilant citizens are must for the successful working of democracy. We are studying it from 9 to 8 everywhere. Whenever we talk about politics, I usually tell you that role of ordinary citizen. Although it is very impractical in India, nahi ho pa raha, but then also we have to aware about that. We have to learn about that कि what are our duties. देखो सभी मिलके करेंगे, only then this change would be there for the country. But we can change ourselves, कि अपने आप को हम उसके अकॉर्डिंग सेटिस्फाई कर सकते हैं. तो दैट इज़ द थिंग. Vigilant citizens are must for the successful working of democracy. Then you have to write the discuss the significance and utility of Indian political theory. Significance and utility of Indian political theory. And my last question is major concerns of politics. What are the major concerns of politics that you have to write? राइट, इसमें आप अलग अलग फिलोसफर्स के रीजंस ले सकते हो. राइट, तो यू हैव टू राइट बुक. मैंने आपको बता दिया व्हाट्सएवर बुक हैज़ बीन रिटन बाय अरिस्टोटल्स पोएटिक्स. ठीक है, तो इन दिस वे यू हैव टू स्टडी ऑल दीज क्वेश्चंस and write also. Thank you. Bye student.